A group of friends in Morocco discover a stranded leatherback turtle on the beach. Determined to help, they quickly come up with a plan. One person fetches a tractor, while the others grab a surfboard to create a makeshift stretcher. Working together, they carefully lift the turtle onto the surfboard. With the tractor towing, they guide the turtle towards the ocean. The group ensures the turtle is safe as it reaches the water. Watching it swim away, they share a moment of triumph and joy. A heroic effort to save a magnificent creature, and a day they'll always remember.